Dubai's Gulf Food 2025 isn't just the world's largest food expo, it's a $50 billion stress test for the future of global supply chains. Imagine 7,000 exhibitors from 120 countries, 60% perishable goods, and a hidden army of AI, blockchain, and drones working 24/7 to stop food from spoiling. Here's how Dubai's logistics titans are pulling it off. The cold chain revolution. Solar-powered warehouses at Jebel Ali now keep 10,000 tons of food at a 25 degrees Celsius without fossil fuels. AI predicts shelf life down to the hour, cutting waste by 40%. Blockchain's secret role. Every steak, avocado, and spice here has a digital twin. Scan a QR code and you'll see its journey from farm to fork, including carbon emissions. Dubai's blockchain developers built this to fight $3 billion in annual food fraud. Drones over Dubai. While you're tasting lab-grown camel milk, drones are racing to deliver it. The UAE just approved 300-plus food delivery drones to slash last-mile costs by 70%. One startup, funded by Dubai's Scale to Dubai program, already moves 5,000 meals daily. The jobs no one saw coming. Gulf Food 2025 created 15,000 new roles: blockchain traceability auditors, AI freshness analysts, even drone traffic controllers. Salaries? Up to $120K for tech-certified grads. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about food. Dubai's testing these systems to dominate all supply chains. By 2026, 50% of the UAE's imports will use Gulf Food's AI logistics playbook. So, will your groceries ever be the same? Like if you want a tutorial on landing these futuristic jobs. Subscribe, because Dubai's not just feeding the future, it's engineering it.